Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here we'd like to explore the cart page for your Shopify store. So keep in mind that we already have a video on cart drawer. So we will of course link it in the description box, but for this example, for this video, we'd like to show you how to make not the cart drawer, but the cart page. So to begin with, we need to go to our theme customizer here. And as you can see in our header group, we have the cart drawer as here it is. And by clicking on it, we'll see our cart. So as you can see, I'm on the store here. And when I click here, this is what we call the cart drawer when it just simply reaches out from here. However, if we want to change it to cart page, then we need to go to our theme settings, then cart, and now we need to change the type from drawer to page. Now let's save our changes and let's take a quick view at our store to see how the cart page looks like. So once we change it to cart page, as you can see, our menu has changed, and when we click on the cart here, we see the separate page, not the drawer as before. So what do we need to do next? So first of all, we need to click here and go from home page to the cart page. And once we're on the cart page and click on settings, as you can see, our header is basically empty. So we need to, of course, add the new blocks and customize the header. We also have videos on how to set up your header and different types of blocks. So we will, of course, link these videos in the description box as well. From this video, so you can set up your header to your liking. But right now, let's concentrate on our cart. So once we go to the cart page here, then we need to scroll down to the template, and here is our cart template. So first of all, as you can see, we have the cart settings, the heading that says shopping cart. We can of course change it from shopping cart to your cart or anything else. Next, we can also choose to show gift wrap button. So if we go here to our page, as you can see, we have one item in our cart. We see this heading shopping cart, and here we can see the add gift box. So the clients can tick it and choose to add the gift box to their order. So from here, you can either enable it or disable it. So let's click on not to show the gift wrap button. And when we go to view, we click on our cart here. Let's now remove this item from here, and as you can see, we no longer have the button add gift wrap button. And the last thing in these settings are the offsets. So for example, if you wanted to have spacing between several sections, you can of course do it from here for the desktop, for the mobile, and for the top and the bottom. You can reduce or increase the offset. So next, when we go out of the cart, here, as you can see, we can add blocks. For example, we can add the shipping bar. So let's add this block here. And when we click on it, we can choose to set the free shipping amount. So for example, you want your clients to be able to get a free shipping if they reach a certain amount. From here, you can set this amount. You can also set the message, the congratulatory message once the client reaches this amount, and also the congratulatory icon, of course. So now let's save our changes and let's take a look at our store once again. So we go here to our store, then we click here, and here now, as you can see, it says subtotal and how many are we left to get to the free shipping. So next, we go back here and we go from our shipping bar, and then as you can see, we actually have the ability to add several sections to our shopping cart. So as you remember, when we've shown you the cart drawer, you can just simply add products for upsell, for example, in the cart drawer, notes, and that's it. Unfortunately, you cannot add sections to the cart drawer. But for the cart page, since this is a separate page like this here, you can add several different sections. For example, here are the featured products. You can of course add them in here, the newsletter, the ticker, and you can have all of this, and you can set it up from this cart page. So here is how you reach it. And next we need to go to theme settings and again to our cart. From here there are also several settings that we have that we can, of course, customize. We will not go through them in this video as we have a video on the cart drawer, and all of the settings are discussed in there, so feel free to check that video as well. So from here you can fully customize your cart, and these changes, they apply to the drawer and to your cart page as well. But keep in mind that from here, from the theme settings, cart, general, you can change the type between drawer and page at any time. And this is it. So this was a very easy setting on how to change the cart from drawer to page. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're always here to help you. And don't forget about our theme manual, where you can also find all of this information. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye.